Hi everyone! Let's learn about question words today. When you are looking for additional information, you ask a question using a question word. You put the question word at the beginning of the question sentence. When you answer, you give a specific answer rather than saying just yes or no. Let's learn what the question words are. What is the question word that is used to ask about things or animals? For example, you might hear the question, "What is this?" You would answer, "It's a frog." Next, who is used when you want to ask about people? For example, you might hear the question, "Who is he?" And you would answer, "He is my teacher." The question word whose is used to find out which person something belongs to. For example, to the question, "Whose bag is that?" you would answer by giving the name of the person to whom it belongs. For example, "It's Jenny's." Which is used to ask about people and things when there is a choice to make. For example, which do you sing, jazz or pop songs? You would choose one type of music and answer. For example, "I sing pop songs." Where is a question word that is used to ask about places? Where are you from? I am from Canada. How is used to ask about the way things are done or to talk about quantity? When is used to ask about time, and why is used to ask about reason? Let's review today's lesson.